There is a huge and growing demand on Amazon right now for activity books that are oriented towards children as well as adults. And these activity books include puzzle books, coloring books, as well as children's picture storybooks, just to name a few. Millions of books are being sold every year in the Amazon marketplace, and hundreds of millions of dollars are being paid out in royalties as a result of these sales. Now, if you go back just 20 years, 95% of those royalties were being paid out to major publishing houses. But today, thanks to print-on-demand companies like Kindle Direct Publishing, a large portion of those royalties are now being paid out to individual authors and designers who are turning their artistic creativity into monthly passive income with the use of self-publishing. Now, my name is Craig Babin, and I have over 15 years experience in graphic design and marketing. And about 4 years ago, I decided that I wanted to use those skills to try and help people who were struggling to make ends meet every month. And I was going to do that by teaching them everything that I knew about design and product marketing so that they could in turn use that knowledge to start their own little self-publishing business and begin generating monthly passive income for themselves. So over the past 4 years, I've managed to put together what is probably one of the most comprehensive and in-depth courses on self-publishing that's available on the internet today. And to date, I've been able to help thousands of people just like you to create a monthly passive income for themselves using the skills that I've taught them, along with just a little bit of their own creativity. And the best part is, this course is entirely free and right here on YouTube. Using YouTube as my platform, I created over 20 hours of step-by-step tutorials that would teach you everything that you need to know to start your own successful self-publishing business. And the beauty of it is, you can do this entire business in your spare time. I've created a dedicated playlist on my channel called Self-Publishing 101, and it starts off by teaching you the 3 basic methods for making money using Amazon KDP. From there, the playlist jumps straight into book design. I begin by showing you how to create activity books like word search books, Sudoku books, as well as other children's activity books like Connect the Dot books. And I don't just teach you how to create the interiors, I also show you how to design professional looking covers as well. And I walk you step by step through the entire process. Now, I use a piece of software to generate all of those unique puzzles called BookBowl. If you're not familiar with it, it's desktop publishing software that enables you to lay out books in every dimension that Amazon KDP offers within their print-on-demand service. This software was literally designed for creating books for KDP. But it doesn't end there. The software also comes with a puzzle generator, which allows you to generate original word search, crossword, and Sudoku puzzles, as well as many other puzzles that can be found in children's activity books that are being sold on Amazon. But as good as that is, that's not even the best part. BookBowl also comes with research software that allows you to research activity book niches that are actually making money, so that before you even begin creating your book, you'll have a much better idea as to what kind of books to create and in which genre you should be creating them in. And all of this software comes bundled together for one low price. But to make it even better, in the description section of every one of my videos, I have a link to an exclusive offer that will save you 20% off a subscription price. And you can even find that link in the description section of this video as well. And just know that I have videos that walk you step by step through how to use every aspect of the BookBowl software inside of this playlist. From there, I go one step further by giving you one of the clearest explanations on how to lay out a book using margins and bleeds. Even if you know absolutely nothing about laying out a book, by the end of this video, you'll be a seasoned professional. And this is where the playlist jumps into creating coloring books. Using licensable artwork that you can download from a site called Fabrica, I teach you how to create original illustrations using the millions of images available for download from that site. I even show you how to customize the images so that every page of your coloring book is completely unique. And just know that I have exclusive offers in the description section of every one of my videos that will give you unlimited access to millions of beautiful images for as little as $3.99 per month. And for those of you who are the analytical type, just know that I have 2 videos that go into great detail about the terms of use, as well as the copyright laws as they pertain to using third-party artwork from Fabrica. Now, I create most of my designs and book covers using Photoshop, but if you don't have access to Photoshop, just know that you can use the free Photoshop alternative, Photopea.com. It's basically a free Photoshop knockoff that you can use right inside of your web browser. There are no downloads required. Now, for those of you who have a little bit of an artistic side and would actually like to learn how to draw, I am a cartoonist, and I have another playlist on my channel that is dedicated to teaching you how to draw cartoons. I even have a video that shows you a very simple technique for creating beautiful mandalas that you can use to self-publish your own mandala coloring book to sell on Amazon. Now at this point, the playlist goes on to teach you how to create what are probably the most profitable of all activity books, and that's children's picture storybooks. And throughout this entire video series, I'll be using my own self-published children's picture book, Who Stepped in the Poo, as a proof of concept, and my book is available in the Amazon Marketplace worldwide. Now I start off this series by teaching you how to write good quality children's stories. Stories that are written in a way that'll get you praise from your customers in your book reviews because of how well they're written. I'll then go on to teach you how to design eye-catching illustrations that use that same licensable content that I spoke about earlier from Fabrica. Illustrations that will once again have your customers praising the artwork inside of your picture books. From there, I'll walk you through how to upload your finished manuscript to KDP, as well as show you how to add A+ content to your book's Amazon product page to give it more of a professional look. I'll then go on to show you how to convert your paperback manuscript into a Kindle ebook format so that you'll be able to sell your book to Amazon Kindle users. I'll also show you how to get your first reviews on your book using both paid and free services, and how to promote your books both off the Amazon platform as well as on the platform utilizing Amazon ad campaigns. And just know that in my videos, I walk you step by step through how to set those campaigns up to achieve the best results. And if that wasn't enough, my Self-Publishing 101 playlist just goes on and on. I created my children's picture storybook, Who Stepped in the Poo, in about 20 hours using illustrations from Fabrica. And since I launched it, it has gone on to sell fairly consistently month after month with little to no additional effort on my part. Now I want you to keep something in mind. These royalties are coming from just one book that took me about 20 hours to make in my spare time. And I also want you to keep in mind that this book is not performing very well by self-publishing standards. So seeing as it only took me about 20 hours to create this book in my spare time, I could easily create another 9 books by the end of this year just in my spare time. And if each of those books went on to underperform just like this one is, then this $22 month could easily be a $220 month. And this $58 month could easily pay you $580 for the month in royalties, and that's just from 10 underperforming books. And if one of your books happens to become a bestseller, that could easily turn into thousands of dollars per month from just one book. Look, I'm not going to try to puff this up to make it sound like a get-rich-quick opportunity, because it's not. The truth is, this is going to take some time, and most of your books will not be bestsellers. But that doesn't mean that you can't at least create a nice little monthly passive income for yourself by simply sacrificing a little bit of your spare time and just a touch of your creativity. And as much as it does require a little bit of effort on your part, creating these books can actually be a lot of fun. In fact, it's something that you could even do with your kids. Everything that you need to know to start your own profitable self-publishing business can be found within the videos on this playlist. And all you have to do to get started is simply click on that subscribe button at the end of this video and then head on over to my playlist Self-Publishing 101 to start your free self-publishing education today. And you can find a link to that playlist right here. Until next time, take care.